Welcome back. So let's change the timing belt on the Fiat 500. Raise the vehicle and remove the right wheel, then remove the inner wheel arch covers to access the lower engine. Now release tension on the auxiliary belt, then remove the belt. Then remove the 3/13 mm to remove the crank pulley. Now you can remove the lower cover bolts. I generally create my own marks. So using a tip X pen, mark the belt, pulley, and engine casing. You can now support the engine under the sump. Then, remove the engine mount. Now start removing the upper timing belt cover bolts. Carefully slide out the wiring harness before you lift the cover out. Now the cam pulley is visible, mark it up like the crank. Then the remaining engine mount can be removed. Lift out the lower cover. Then loosen the tensioner to remove the timing belt. Once the belt is removed, remove the tensioner. It is advisable to replace the water pump. This simply unbolts. Give the mounting face a good clean, then refit new water pump and timing belt tensioner. Duplicate your marks on the new timing belt, this ensures correct fitment. Then refit the belt. Carefully tension with bar, then tighten tensioner. Then turn crankshaft 2 full revolutions and then, recheck your pulley marks. Now rebuild in reverse order, and enjoy the peace of mind, now that you have changed your timing belt. How did you find it? Leave us a comment below. Here's some more useful how to 500 repairs.